Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make lava rock candy. This simple method will guide you through creating a visually stunning and delicious treat that resembles volcanic rock. It's a fantastic project for all ages, offering a unique texture and a burst of flavor. We'll cover everything from basic ingredients to the final cooling process, ensuring your candy turns out perfectly every time. Get ready to impress with this sweet, crunchy creation. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. These form the base of our candy. Don't forget your favorite food coloring and flavor extracts to personalize your lava rocks. A reliable candy thermometer is also absolutely necessary to ensure your mixture reaches the correct temperature for that perfect, brittle snap. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now let's cook our candy. Combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Stir gently until the sugar completely dissolves, then stop stirring. Allow the mixture to boil without disturbance until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. This is the hard crack stage, vital for the candy's texture. Once it hits temperature, remove it from the heat immediately. For the final steps, carefully pour your hot candy mixture onto a silicone mat or parchment-lined baking sheet. Do not spread it too thin. Let it pool naturally to create varied thicknesses. Allow the candy to cool undisturbed for approximately 30 minutes, or until it is completely hard and brittle. Once firm, use a small hammer or the back of a spoon to gently break it into irregular, rock-like pieces. Store your beautiful lava rock candy in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.